So hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Today we're so excited to present for you our project entitled Booksmart under the umbrella of this exciting hackathon. So our project is an AI-powered multi-agent system which is built for smart online bookstores. And we've chosen this project because online platforms today need more than just static product listings. What they need is intelligent assistance in recommending products, customer support, and even to analyze competition between different platforms. And since we are book lovers, we've decided to target bookstores. So we created two fictive vendors, vendor A and vendor B, from data which was scraped from bookstoscrape.com. And we've used vendor A as our own data and data of vendor B as one of our competitors. I suggest moving to a demonstration of our workflow to present how our system could work and some functionalities. So whenever, for example, the user he wants to have some recommendations for a certain type of products, he might, for example, asks, I want 3 drama books. The system would delegate this query to the responsible agent, which is going to answer conveniently the query of the user. And for example, whenever the user has issues with certain products, he might, for example, asks, I got the wrong book. What should I do? And this would delegate the task to the agent responsible for customer services, and he is going to act as it is an agent responsible for supporting customers after having products from the bookstore. And the user also might ask for a report to compare vendor A and vendor B and have a clear response. Like he might ask, I want to compare vendor A and vendor B in terms of price and availability of products. And this is going to delegate this task to the analysis agent, which is going to create a whole report illustrating the differences and the similarities between the two vendors. Okay, so this is the report, and the logic behind all of this was built through a prompt flow. So we've used prompt flow to mainly create our logic, and there are mainly 3 agents: the ASV agent, the recommendation agent, and the analysis agent. And there is an orchestrator behind these agents who delegates the task whenever who delegates the task to the agent responsible for answering that query. And so we've used Looker indexers to create drags on our data from vendor A and vendor B, and this enables the agent to have access to this data and to give the user convenient answers. So a good question that might emerge is how the agentic framework helped. So the agentic framework was essential to our success, since instead of building one complex system, we created modular agents, each with a clear responsibility. So the recommendation agent, it handles product suggestions. The customer service agent, it manages support queries, and the analytics agent, it generates reports on competition between different vendors. And of course, the importance of the orchestrator agent, who ties everything together and routes each query to the right agent. So this modular design made our project scalable, easy to extend, and more maintainable. And to reflect upon this project, the project was a valuable hands-on experience with real AI tools. So we learned how to use Azure AI search and blob storage for managing structured data, to implement retrieval augmented generation for accurate answers, to deploy GPT models to handle complex reasoning for the AI agents, and of course using the prompt flow to manage workflow visually and dynamically. As a team, we were able to coordinate across different tasks through from data collection to pipeline integration and agent logic. And this is so fruitful and so important. So thanks for watching. Hope you've liked it, and goodbye.